In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add auto-generated captions to your videos using CapCut, an extremely user-friendly editing software that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Let's dive in and make your content more accessible and engaging by walking you through just a few straightforward steps. First, you'll want to start by opening CapCut on your computer. Once it's up and running, create a new project. This sets the stage for all your editing endeavors and gives you a clean slate to work with. It's as easy as clicking Create New Project on the main screen. Once you've got your new project ready, the next thing we need to do is import the video you want to work with. To do this, simply locate your video file on your computer and drag it directly onto the timeline in CapCut. This timeline is where the magic happens, and it's the backbone of your video editing process. With your video now on the timeline, the next step is to select the video clip. This is important because whatever adjustments we make, like adding captions, will be applied to the clips you have selected. You can select your video clip simply by clicking on it on the timeline. When you click on it, you should see a highlight around the clip, indicating it's ready for editing. Once your video is selected, take your attention to the top menu bar and find the Text option. Click on it to unfold various text options, but let's focus on something specific now. On the left panel, you'll spot an option for auto captions. This feature is a lifesaver if you want to quickly add subtitles or captions to your video without typing them out manually. Before generating captions, you need to choose the language spoken in the video. This ensures that CapCut understands the audio correctly and transcribes it accurately. So browse through the language options and choose the one that matches your video content. After selecting the language, all you need to do is click Generate. CapCut will begin processing your audio to produce accurate captions. This might take a little bit of time, but it's completely worth it. The software is analyzing every word to create perfect captions for your viewers. Once the processing is complete, you'll see the captions appear as text layers directly on your timeline. They are now ready for you to style or edit further, giving you full control over their color, size, and even position. This functionality allows you to customize how the captions will enhance your video's overall look. By following these steps, you've just made your video more accessible to a wider audience by adding convenient captions using CapCut. Now you're ready to share your project with the world, knowing your content is clear and communicative to everyone.